1 plus 2 equals 3. 27 times 3 equals 81, and 81 divided by 81 equals 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have three operators present: division, multiplication and addition. But more importantly, we have parentheses present too, and according to the rules, parentheses have highest priority. So let's solve what we have inside parentheses. 1 plus 2, that gives us 3. Our expression simplifies to 81 divided by 27 times 3. Now we have two operators present: division and multiplication. According to the rules, multiplication and division have equal level of priority, but we must work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first because it's on the left side. 81 divided by 27, that gives us 3. And finally 3 times 3 equals 9, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.